Your seafood, your weight loss. Janet will guide us towards healthy fitness goal. Go, Janet.
Janet here of the Obesity Prevention Center. From ocean to plate, the ultimate guide to seafood's transformative influence on weight loss for every state. Seafood is a powerful ally when it comes to weight loss and overall health. The diverse array of fish and shellfish available from coast to coast provides a treasure trove of nutritious options, all of which offer their own specific benefits. Studies consistently reveal correlations between seafood consumption and reduced inflammation, heart health, brain function, and of course, weight management. In this post, we'll explore the many reasons why seafood is a nutritional powerhouse, how regional favorites aid weight loss state by state, the role of seafood in balanced diets and portion control, plus healthy recipes and cooking tips to maximize results. Read on to discover how this natural bounty from the ocean supports your journey to a healthier, happier you. The nutritional powerhouse of seafood. It's no secret that seafood provides high-quality protein and an abundance of essential nutrients. Oily fish like salmon and mackerel deliver heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, supporting metabolism, reduced inflammation, and brain function. Shellfish, including mussels and oysters, offer impressive levels of zinc, iron, and vitamin B12. Even mild whitefish provide lean protein with far less calories and fat compared to meat. Seafood is packed with selenium, iodine, potassium, and vitamins A and D2. This nutrient profile is exactly what the body craves for natural weight loss, boosted immunity, and energy. Rather than crash dieting, incorporating more seafood aligns with sustainable, healthy habits. Slow roasted salmon, seared tuna steak, steamed clams, grilled shrimp skewers, the options are seemingly endless. Discover your favorites and reap the nutritional rewards. Some especially nutritious options to consider are salmon. This oily fish is rich in omega-3s to reduce inflammation. It also provides an impressive 34 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. Tuna. For an even higher protein boost, tuna offers 39 grams per 3-ounce serving. It's also low in calories and fat. Oysters. Just 3 ounces of oysters contains a whopping 21 grams of protein and only 90 calories. They also offer iron, zinc, selenium, and vitamin B12. Sardines. These tiny fish are full of omega-3s, vitamin D, selenium, and calcium, all crucial for weight management and wellness. Mackerel. With lean protein, omega-3s, and vitamin B12, mackerel supports metabolism and fat burning. Seafood provides a powerhouse combo of protein, healthy fats, and vital micronutrients that together contribute to natural and sustainable weight loss. State by state, seafood staples and weight loss. The diverse coastlines of the United States provide ample access to fresh, local catches that become regional favorites. From Pacific salmon in Seattle to New England lobster rolls, the seafood traditions of each state offer delicious options to aid weight loss goals. For instance, Hawaii is renowned for fresh tuna used in poke bowls and sashimi. The lean protein and antioxidant benefits support satiety, metabolism, and overall health. Landlocked states also benefit from access to fish sourced from the Great Lakes, rivers, and inland fisheries. In the Midwest, broiled perch, walleye, and trout are menu staples that provide lean protein conducive to weight management. Importing frozen seafood means those living far from the coast can still reap the benefits. Sourcing seafood locally, whether fresh caught or frozen, supports sustainability while providing access to healthy, nutritious fare. Discover your state's treasures and experience how regional seafood delivers key nutrients that contribute to achieving and maintaining your ideal weight. Here are some examples of popular state favorites. Maine. Lobster rolls highlighting fresh lobster meat are a Maine claim to fame. Lobster is low calorie and high protein. Louisiana, traditional jambalaya and gumbo spotlight Gulf shrimp, crab and crawfish in delicious stews. Pacific Northwest, wild salmon like Copper River sake is a regional highlight, grilled or smoked. Michigan, perch and walleye from the Great Lakes is enjoyed pan-fried or baked in classic recipes. Maryland, crab cakes are a specialty, mixing lumped crab meat with breadcrumbs and spices. Hawaii, fresh tuna, mahi-mahi, and ono are used in beloved poke bowls and plate lunches. From East Coast to West and everywhere between, local seafood provides both traditional flavor and dietary benefits that support weight management. Seafood's role in balanced diets and portion control. While seafood offers unmatched nutritional benefits, balance is key for sustainable weight loss. When incorporated as part of a balanced diet, small servings of seafood enhance portion control and feelings of fullness. A serving size of fish is typically only 3 to 4 ounces, perfect for keeping portions in check. The lean protein, healthy fats, and richness of seafood curbs cravings far more effectively than other proteins. Eating seafood at lunch or dinner also prevents overeating by providing lasting satiation. Combining reasonable seafood portions with complex carbs like brown rice plus fibrous vegetables and legumes creates well-rounded, nutritious meals. Approach each plate with balance in mind to maximize seafood's influence on weight loss goals. Here are some tips for enjoying seafood as part of a healthy, balanced plate. Stick to a 4 to 6 oz serving of fish or seafood as the protein source. This provides satisfying protein without excess calories. Pair with 1/2 cup of whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or pearl barley to add filling fiber. Load up on non-starchy vegetables. Aim for 50% of the plate. Go for roasted, steamed, or grilled. Add healthy fat. This enhances satiety and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Good options are olive oil, avocado nuts. Hydrate with water or unsweetened tea. Avoid sugary sodas and juices. When assembled thoughtfully, seafood alongside vegetables, smart carbs, and healthy fats provides next-level nutrition tailored for weight management success. Cooking techniques and healthy seafood recipes. Preparing seafood at home allows you to control ingredients and cooking methods for maximum nutrition and weight loss benefits. Healthy techniques like steaming, baking, grilling, and broiling retain antioxidants and omega-3s that are lost in heavy sauces or fried coatings. Get creative with herbs, spices, citrus, and other plant-based flavors to keep meals exciting. For example, try chili lime shrimp skewers with pineapple salsa, Mediterranean baked cod with tomatoes and olives, or Cajun blackened salmon with roasted asparagus. The possibilities are endless once you get comfortable with go-to recipes and preparation methods. Refer to seafood cooking charts to ensure proper cook times and temperatures. Vary textures and flavors to discover new favorites that align with your weight loss program and lifestyle. Here are some delicious and nutritious seafood recipe ideas perfect for weight loss. Cilantro lime salmon. Bake or grill salmon with cilantro, lime, garlic, and red pepper flakes. Shrimp fajitas. Sauté shrimp with onions, peppers, and seasoning and wrap in lettuce or corn tortillas. Mediterranean baked cod. Top cod with tomatoes, Kalamata olives, lemon, garlic, and parsley. Tuna poke bowl. Huge raw tuna tossed in ginger dressing and served over brown rice with vegetables. Crab cakes. Combine lumped crab meat with breadcrumbs, egg, and spices and pan fry. Scallop spinach salad. Sauté scallops and spinach and serve over greens with lemon vinaigrette. With some recipe ideas in your back pocket, you can easily enjoy delicious seafood meals that align with your weight goals and take minutes to prepare. Get creative with seasonings, sides, and cooking methods to keep things interesting. The diverse bounty source from coasts, rivers, and lakes provides a myriad of nutritious seafood options that deliver remarkable benefits. Key nutrients including protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals make seafood a prime contributor to weight loss, reduced inflammation, and overall well-being. Take advantage of regional catches and traditions by exploring seafood sourced locally and sustainably. Work into balanced meals and practice portion control for maximum impact. Get comfortable with healthy cooking techniques and recipes that create satisfying meals that aid your health and weight loss journey. Discover your own seafood favorites and experience the positive influence from ocean to plate. Incorporating seafood into your diet offers a multifaceted approach to weight loss and overall health. By choosing local and sustainable options, employing healthy cooking techniques, and practicing portion control, you can maximize the benefits of this nutrient-rich food group. The journey from ocean to plate is not just a culinary adventure, but also a pathway to better health and effective weight loss, no matter where you reside in the nation. So dive in, explore, and let the transformative power of seafood positively influence your health journey. In the end, the transformative power of seafood extends beyond its nutritional profile to encompass environmental stewardship, culinary exploration, and a deepening understanding of how food choices impact our bodies. As you navigate your weight loss journey, let seafood be more than just a menu option. Let it be a catalyst for positive change. By making thoughtful choices about the seafood you consume, you're not only taking steps towards a healthier you, but also contributing to a more sustainable and balanced ecosystem. This makes the journey from ocean to plate a fulfilling experience in more ways than one, enriching not just your diet, but your life as a whole.
Way to go, Janet. That was another enticing topic on health and fitness. Keep inspired with us here at the Obesity Prevention Center with Janet. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.